Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gladys Tuvere, Living Clutter Free. Listen, I'm trying to show you guys how you can get your home cleaned that is extremely dirty in less than 30 minutes, or should I say in less than an hour. Each room here took me 20 minutes and you can see how dirty it is. Let's get started. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Gladys. I'm a mama of 3 little people. The oldest is 8 years old and the youngest is 3 years old, and I here live clutter free and also practice minimalism. My home may not be the cup of tea of everybody, but it suits me and my family, so it gets dirty. Lots of people think that my home does not get dirty, but it gets dirty. It's just the way we clean and put things back. It takes less than 30 minutes or 20 minutes for me to clean each room. And yes, that's each room. So bathroom, bedroom, and today I decided to show you guys my bedroom and the kids' bedroom, which is like next to my bedroom next door. And I'm going to also vacuum and all of that. Took me 20 minutes in my room and the kids' room. As you can see, I removed all the clothes that were here. It was my birthday weekend, so I got new gifts and I was just putting them back there. Now I just make my bed. Yes, my bed is not fancy, my bedding is not fancy, but it's new, it's clean, and it's beautiful to the eye. It does not have to be extremely expensive. This throw blanket, I love it. It was gifted to me by a friend for Christmas, which I love. But yeah, it took me less than 5 minutes to get everything taken care of. So I remove all the things from the bed so that the bed can be clear for me to be able to clean. That gives me a visual of what else is dirty and what else I need to get rid of in the room. And then when I'm done, I do what it's called spot cleaning. So I go through each spot that I need to clean. No, there's a different terminology for that. I think it's zone cleaning. So I clean each thing. So I clean like the bedding, the bed, and I will clean also the, what is it called? Dressers. Then I will do the mirror. So it makes it easier for me to clean, so I'm not overwhelmed with what I'm cleaning. So keep that in mind when you are doing your cleaning. Zone clean, it makes it so much easier, guys. So then when I'm done, I vacuum, and it does not even take me 20 minutes to get rid of the mess you saw previously in this video. So get rid of all your dishes, get rid of all your trash, and then get everything off the bed so that you can make the bed. Then you can figure out what else you need to get done. Okay, so this is my kids' room, and guys, if you're one of those mom that you are not able to keep on top of your kids' room, do not feel bad. As a mother of 3, I definitely understand, but this is why I took the minimalism approach and also clutter-free living, so that I can know where everything is, what everything is, and how I can get rid of them. So here I decided to let the room go so I can show you guys how I cleaned and organized this room. So each room in my home has an organization system, which makes it easier to clean. All the kids, they have a place for their shoes, place for jacket, backpack, so it makes it very easier for them to put everything back. Now bear in mind, this was Easter weekend, so we had candy, wrappers, and I was looking at some things on the ground. I'm wondering to myself, Gladys, what are those and why are they here? But I taught my kids how to put things back. But today I decided to let it go so I can use this as an example to film this video to show you guys how you can get rid of things. Again, the same thing I did in my room that I'm showing you guys in their room. So again, each thing have organization system, but not only that, get rid of everything off the bed. If you have to fold it and put it aside, do. If you have to just dump it on the ground, do it. But get rid of everything on the bed, because it gives you anxiety if you feel like there's so much things on the bed that you're not able to fix the bed. When I put everything on the ground, I go ahead and fix the bed. Once the bed is fixed, I now know what is on the ground and what to do, so I'm not feeling anxious on what to clean. Listen, guys, this room was beyond me. It was disgusting. Okay guys, we went from this disgusting looking room that looked like crazy people lived in there to this simple, clean, sweet kid room, and it just brings me so much joy how simple this room is. But like I said in the beginning, this room does get dirty, and it can get dirty. You just have to have a strategy how to put things back. If there's an organization system for each room, you know, you won't stress too much cleaning the room. It won't be a chore. For me, it's not a chore to clean my kids' room. In the contrary, it's an opportunity for me to see things that do not need to be there, and I get rid of them. Listen, decluttering has become my lifestyle now. Now let's go into the hallway of the room and show you guys how I do get those taken care of as well. Okay, so this is the hallway from, see, on the left side is my bedroom, on the right side is the kids' bedroom. Does that make sense? Right, it's like the drop it zone right there in the middle. So I wanted to go ahead and get that vacuumed and cleaned as well. If you guys want to see other rooms clean in such a fast manner, let me know. I have bathrooms, living room. My living room is not even a question. It would take me like 5 minutes to clean that place because it's just so clutter free, which I love. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum the hallway right here, get rid of every dirt and every little thing. That purple trash bag you see me holding is where I put all the trash. Can you imagine all the trash in my room and the kids' room? It's disgusting, but it took less than 20 minutes to get all those taken care of. Okay, so we were done with the front, drop-in zone, and this is the hallway from the laundry room to my desk. So I was going to go ahead and get that taken care of as well. I love seeing vacuum lines. So I just love vacuuming here, especially when it comes to carpet. But you guys are not very familiar with my entire house. If you want to see like an entire house tour from top to bottom, please leave it in the comment below, because you do see my living room upstairs and downstairs, but you don't know how everything flow, and I would love to show you guys that, because my home is a 3-storage, so it's a little bit confusing when people come here because they don't know where anything starts or stop. But I would love to show you guys in a video. If you would love to see that, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like that video so that we can do great on this video. Okay guys, let's continue. So this will be all for the video, guys. It was a pleasure filming it for you guys. If you have any other requests, please leave it in the comments below. But more videos are coming your way, and I can't wait for you guys to see those. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Again, do not feel anxiety or like stress cleaning your kids' room. I'm showing you guys strategies how to clean really quick, fast, without any stress, right? On to the next video, guys. God bless you all. Bye, guys.